Hello, welcome back to Mrs. Hewitt's Spelling at Home. So we are carrying on with our theme this week, which is all about plural words. So yesterday and the day before that, we looked at adding the S first of all to make something more than one, the plural. And then yesterday we were adding ES onto those words that ended in s, ch, or what was it? Sh, s. Oh yeah, the double S or the sh. There we go. So ones that had those endings. So today we're going to look at another plural where we have to change the letters, and this is all about words that end in a Y. So I'm going to show you this word here. I want you to read it at home. Okay, and that is the word baby. Okay, now normally, like I said, we know that for our rule, plural rule, normally we just add an S on the end. So you would get something like this, okay, babies. However, that doesn't work, mainly because it would make this Y perhaps have a different sound, maybe like an I sound. So we need to, or an is sound. So with this Y in the middle of a word, it doesn't work with an S after it. So this Y gets changed and we have to have the I-E-S. So we actually lose that Y and it changes into an I. Okay, then we add the ES. So we've got this bit here that says E's. So we've got babies, okay, babies. And here it is written all as one word. Okay, so we've gone from one baby becomes babies with an I-E-S. It's all about remembering if we've got a Y, we have to drop that Y, add I-E-S, okay? So I've got some other words that you have to do that with. Really, it's any noun that ends in a Y. So if we were saying you had one lolly, if you had 2 or 3 lollies, you would spell that not with a Y on the end, but with an I-E-S. Okay, so we're going to do it with these ones. So I'm going to show you the singular. So that says daisy. And now I want you to pause the video and write down the word daisies. Okay, let's see if you've got it right. So you should have got rid of that Y and you should have put on the IES and you should have written daisies like that. Okay, so we had one daisy and lots of daisies. Okay, we're going to do another one, so get ready to pause the video. You have one welly boot. How would you write wellies? Pause the video and write wellies. Let's check if you got it right. There you go. You've kept that root bit and then we've changed that Y to the IES. Okay, let's do another one. So on the plant there was a berry. How would I write berries? Pause the video and write the word berries. Now let's check it. Excellent, well done. So we have learned that rule, okay? So you've just got to remember, if you've got one thing and it ends with a Y, when we have more than one, when we have the plural, it's an IES and it makes that ease sound, okay? So when you're saying babies, we're making that ease sound, it's the IES. So now I want you to pick one or two of those words and see if you can put them into a sentence for me. Okay, I've got a sentence here. See if you can read it. So it's the babies put on their wellies. The babies put on their wellies. And there's my plural words. They're underlined in orange. Okay, so we've learned 3 different rules now for the plural, and it all depends on what that singular one ends in. So for most words, we just add an S. If it's a ch, s, or sh, we add an ES. And if it ends in a Y, we have to get rid of that Y and add an IES. Okay, so you are learning your plural rules. See if you can look out for them and spot them in your reading when you're doing your reading at home. And when you're doing your writing, you need to just remember these rules, okay? But you can use your sounds a little bit as well. Okay, that's it for today, and I will see you back here tomorrow. Bye.